everyone, welcome to section 1.4. The title of this section is Understanding 3D Line. On selecting the 3D Shapes icon, we can see different options available on the right hand side, of which the first one is a shortcut for the 3D library. We'll be learning more about the 3D library in the next level. Below that we have our 3D doodle and our 3D objects. Since we are learning the 3D lines in this video, let's focus on the 3D doodle. Moving on, we have the material and the different colors that are available on Paint 3D. So let us try drawing a line in 3D using the tube brush. On selecting the tube brush, we can see some other properties that are available, of which the first one is the shape of tube. Click on the drop down arrow to select any one shape. Let's go with the capsule shape for this line, and then we can also adjust the thickness of the line. Let's try drawing a line in 3D. Select the 3D doodle, then click and drag to draw a line. On drawing a line, we can see two white dots appear on the line. Let's explore them. On clicking and dragging them, we can change the location of the line. Once we are happy with the position of the line, select the tick icon. On doing so, we can see some more icons appear on the sides of the tube. Place the mouse on the icons to gain more information. This icon stands for rotation along the z-axis, whereas this stands for rotation across the x-axis, and this stands for rotation across the y-axis. And this helps to move the line forward and backward across the z-axis. Let's view this line more clearly in the 3D view. Now let's try rotating this line. We can see some movement across the x-axis, some movement across the y-axis, and some movement across the z-axis. In the center, by how many degrees we have rotated the line is displayed. Coming out of the 3D view, on adding a line, we have some more properties that appear on the right hand side, of which the first one is editing the color, and below that we have select all or multi-select. Let's say if we add more than 2 lines or 3 lines on the canvas, we can use these select options. We can also group them. Moving on to the edit option. In the edit option, we can either cut, copy or paste, or even delete a certain part of the canvas. We can similarly rotate clockwise 90 degrees and anti-clockwise 90 degrees, and also we can flip it horizontally or vertically. And we can also texture our line by selecting this icon. Now let's try adding a new shape of the tube and see the difference in the 3D view. I'll be selecting the star-shaped tube. Let's try drawing a line. Now we can see as we are drawing the line, the white dot has some changes appearing on it. As long as there is some white space available on the circle, we can continue drawing the line. Once it's completely turned yellow, we cannot further draw the line. Now we can see the longer the line, the more number of white dots appear on the line. So let's try exploring these dots. As the dots are in blue, we can move them to change the location of the tube. Let's try viewing it in 3D view. As we can see, compared to the capsule tube which we saw previously, the shape is slightly different. Once we are happy with the tube, click on the tick option to finish the process. Let's come out of the 3D view. Let's try drawing a longer line and see some more properties of the 3D line. Select the 3D doodle and let's try drawing a longer line. Now this longer line has many white dots. On clicking the last white dot at the end of the line, we can see a doodle icon appear. This means we can try drawing a new line from that point. As long as we have the doodle icon, we can continue drawing new lines from that particular point. So in this video we have learned how to draw a 3D line, the different options that are available on drawing a 3D line, and some more additional properties of the 3D line. Thank you for watching.